In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the financial year in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, follow along, and together we'll walk through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by navigating to the settings in Zoho Books. First, locate the gear icon positioned at the top right corner of your Zoho Books interface. Give that a click to open up the Settings menu, which holds various options for customizing your organization's details. In this menu, you'll want to look for the section labeled Organization. Within that section, there's an option called Profile. Go ahead and select Profile to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the appropriate section, it's time to adjust the fiscal year settings. Scroll down the page until you reach the section marked Regional Settings. Here you'll find an important field labeled Fiscal Year. This is where you can tailor the fiscal year to align with your business needs. Click on the drop-down menu here, which will display several options for you. For example, you might see choices like April, March, among others. Select the period that best fits your financial tracking needs. While setting the fiscal year, there's a particular tip to keep in mind, especially if your fiscal year starts on April 1st. When choosing the start date in the drop-down, select 2 instead of 1. This ensures that the displayed period will accurately read as April 1st through March 31st. This might seem slightly counterintuitive, but it's due to how Zoho Books calculates the fiscal period, and this little trick ensures everything lines up perfectly. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes to make sure they take effect. Before saving, you'll notice a preview showing the updated fiscal year period. Take a moment to review this to ensure it's set exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with what you see, the last step is to click the Save button. Doing so applies your adjustments, locking in the new financial period settings for your organization's records in Zoho Books. And there you go, you've successfully changed the financial year settings in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you've realigned your financial tracking to better suit your organization's accounting needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to revisit the process or share it with your team. Goodbye and happy bookkeeping. And happy